So you heard that, right? That was, ooh, that sounded terrible. I feel sorry if you are my neighbor. I think it's time to do something because the sound is horrendous. And I don't even know if it's now in my head, but it looks like it closes way slower than it used to. I'm gonna be using this product right here. Once I start applying this to the chains and to the hinges, things will start looking out better. Hopefully it'll sound better. Maybe it'll even like close and open a little more quickly too.